Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, croeso salam, welcome to the channel y'all, Chesh and Yakshi Mash, good day y'all. So we still have 4 packages, the spaces are filling up, the fire station was the last one that we did last week. One arrived yesterday and one arrived today, so we've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, so these literally are the last 4, I think I have another 1 coming. So, instead of doing eeny meeny, I'm just going to pick one. See that big ones always call out to me, so I think we are gonna go for this big one, and I think it is what I think it is. Let's get it on the table. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, now I hope it's the town hall. So we'll turn to the back page and find out. Yes, it's the town hall. Oh my god, I have really been looking forward to doing this one. It's one of my favorite ones. So yeah, I have got the town hall to build. Oh. I've got a lovely plate there. I like those coloured plates. And wow, look at all the bags. I knew this was going to be a big one. Oh shit, bits pieces hanging out there. Oh, there's another one there, so let's be careful, because I think, yeah, that packet is opened. I knew it was going to fall on the floor. Guaranteed. This little packet's open. Mark number 2. So I'll just be careful. Bugger, there's another. I'm sure there's no. There will be, for some reason, there are a bag split. Just saw another piece fly out coming in. There, I thought I saw a piece of window. Right, so let's get all of these sorted out into their bag numbers. 3, 2, so maybe there's just 3 with this one, I don't know. Let's get all of this open into the containers, crack on, and I'll go up as far as the first level, and I'll show you from there. Wow, wow, wow. We have put this together and I am absolutely in love with it. It is fantastic. I love the colours, the size of it, the detail, the brickwork, the windows, the figures, everything. Absolutely love it. You've got the bell and the clock and the roof. I love what they've done with the clear garage shutters on there for the glass roof. It looks really, really nice. This is a really lovely set, and the elevator in it works really well. So you just lift that up to the next floor, oops, up onto the roof. Boing. It's so cool. So I've added a little bit to it. I've added some detailing here on the back. I've added some tiles, some little flower bed, and these brown tiles there to cover the back, because the front is completely covered on the base, so I wanted to do the top. I love these doors, so nice, great big massive doors like you'd find on a big municipal building. And the actual coat of arms of the where Lego is made, that's the coat of arms of the town. I've got the wedding couple there on the balcony, and I've added, of course I have, added some details on the inside. So if we take off the roof and then we have a look at the conference room, we have a conference going on there with the Marvel and some other characters as well. We've got the leader there, his guards, we've got all the Iron Men there having a meeting in there, and you can look deep down inside the building, which is what I love about this set, is all the windows and access into everything. So we've done that for the top floor, and then you can see how the elevator works by going up. There's doors and everything for every floor, and of course it comes out completely if you want to, but and I love the little nubbins there, so you can see everything. Let's take him down to the bottom. So that's what we've done with that floor. Now if I take this level off, then we move down to the offices. That's where the wedding is taking place. There's the person in the office bringing through the papers. That's the wedding. I kind of put that on like a little chimney sweep. The photographer, the camera, and then we have the bride and groom. We have the groom in his top hat. We have the bride there on the outside looking over the balcony. Got the elevator again. Again, it goes down to the basement floor. So let me take off this floor. And I like it. You can stack it on that if you want. And then we've got the base floor here. Then the first floor, we've got the office there with the lady paying for something. We've got a meeting going on there between those two Lego characters. So there's a big meeting going on. Got two more Iron Men there waiting for the elevator to come down. And then that goes down into the meeting room, the tiles, the door, everything is just absolutely fantastic. I love, this is my favorite set so far. Absolutely love it. So right, okay, let's get it into its new home. there we go. The town hall is now in the cabinet. I've got it underneath the marketplace. So we close the door. And there we go. It looks really, really nice in there. Beautiful, tall. I thought it would be too big, but actually it really fills that space. Really, really nice with the units. And we got the other ones over here. So we still have 3 more to put together, and then there's still another 2 on their way to fill the cabinets completely. But I think so far it's looking good. So there you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching the episode of Lego Misers. These are the AliExpress models. Like I said, I paid £56 for this plus postage and the tax. I think it was like 64 in total. But yeah, absolutely incredible. Worth every single penny. It looks incredible. There we go. So there we go, guys. And I'll see you in the next episode. Bye, y'all.